Hi everyone! I want to share with you these awesome ribbon cutters that I found on www.ribbon-shredder.com. They're so easy to use and they definitely make my present stand out from the rest. Whether it's a holiday, anniversary, birthday, or a special celebration, these ribbon cutters are a lifesaver. I got 5 different cutters that shred easily, and they come out in various sizes. Each handheld shredder comes with mini blades that cut your ribbons safely. Your fingers are protected from harm's way, and all you need to do is slip in one end and pull the ribbon to the other side while holding down the shredder. They all have instructions on the back if you need assistance also. You can create different styles with these, and it doesn't take much effort at all. Check out other tutorial videos on their website for more intricate designs that you can attach to a package or bag. I love that they sell affordable quality ribbon material too. Again, check them out by going to ribbon-shredder.com and to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.